Hi everybody, I'm Ron from RBL Products, and today I'm going to show you our new Nibber polisher kit. The kit comes in a nice carrying case. Open it up, and this is our Nibber. The important part to know about a Nibber is that we've developed it because certain areas of a vehicle are impossible to go ahead and repair. Whether you're in a body shop or detailing, and I'll show you in a minute and demonstrate it, how it works and why it works so well versus a conventional polisher. But here's what we've got here. This is our Nibber, battery operated, charger, 2 batteries, and the entire kit of polish, different pads that are necessary, and special sanding discs. So what we'll do is, real quickly, I'll open this up and show you. It has different adapters, and that's the key to this. We'll be able to go ahead and use a 3mm offset, which is great for sanding. We also have a 12mm offset, okay, that reproduces the random orbital action, and then we have a 100% rotary adapter for this. All these are attached very quickly with roll locks that I'll show you. So it's a quarter turn, very easy to use, ready to go. So let's take a look and do some demos. We've gone ahead and identified a dirt nib in our rear fascia. We circled it, and I think you could see it. It's right there, and it's definitely elevated. So that's a good one right there. I'm gonna go ahead with the Nibber, sand it out and polish it and show you how easy it is. We're gonna take our Nibber. I've gone ahead and screwed on our 3mm sanding adapter. Here's our disc that's PSA, so it'll stick right on there. Okay, and what we'll do is, and this is variable speed, so I've got it dialed in about 4.5. So it's 1 to 6, but I've got it about 70%. So let's go ahead and sand over that. Take my little, my microfiber, and yeah, that did a good job. That's gone. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and change adapters, show you how easy it is to go ahead and move right into polishing with our Nibber polisher. So I'll go ahead and thread on our rotary adapter. And then what I'll do after is I'll go ahead and attach our white foam polishing pad, and it's roll locked, so it's Velcro. And it's just basically a quarter turn, and we're ready to go. Let's go ahead now and get the RBL one-step polish on that defect area that we sanded, and let's go ahead and polish that out. Another second here. Let's take a look at that. Take our microfiber, quick wipe, and see, wow, that came out nice. You can't even see the defects gone, and we were able to, I don't know, in probably about 10 seconds, get the fascia in the area that was sanded up to just a perfect luster. So we've identified a little scratch in here, kind of a tough place, little surface there. And the conventional method is using a polisher. This is a Makita standard in the industry. Wool buffing pad, as you can see, that's really tricky. I mean, you're playing with fire there. Even if I go ahead and pull this pad off and put a smaller 6-inch foam pad, you could still see that you're really polishing on the edge and not on the actual flat surface part. So the answer to that is, let's take our Nibber, okay, and our medium coarse foam, and I've gone ahead and attached it to our 32 1 1/4 inch roll lock. I'll get our one-step polish out, and I'll show you how easy it is. I'll just put a little polish on there, and we'll go ahead and take it out. So take a look. I'll dial it back down a little, maybe to 4. Look at how nicely that gets in there. I'm not damaging the light. The character line's not an issue. I'm not burning that. And I think another second and we should be done. We'll take a look. Get our microfiber out, we'll take a look. We'll wipe it down and look at that is perfect. Here's another like scratch defect in the handle that you can see. And again, that's really close to the body here and a character line. I don't care how good you are, you wouldn't want to go ahead and trust yourself with a Makita or any type of big conventional polisher. You could see it's tough to get in. You're probably going to burn the edge right off of that and still not get that. But let's take the nibber. And what I've done is I've put a smaller pad on with our 32mm roll lock. And we'll take that right out of there in a couple seconds. Even if I go on the edge, you're not damaging it. Wipe it off, let's take a look. As you can see, defect's gone, scratches out, it's just like new. Every car has fingernail scratches right underneath in here behind the door handle. Very tough to get, but what we've done is created our roll lock adapter, 3-inch low profile pad, and look at how easy it is to get underneath there. From the top, from the bottom, okay, and just a matter of seconds, and they're out. Many vehicles have an extreme radius like this car does in the hood area. Well, conventional polishing, as you can see, you're going to end up polishing not with the face of the pad, but you're going to go in and polish with the actual side of the pad. And obviously, I don't have to tell you that doesn't work well. So with the nibber, what you can do is, I've gone ahead and adapted our 2-inch foam pad there. And look at how easy this is. Just getting in wherever you want to get in. Real tight. Very, very easy. The Nibber Polisher Kit has a brush included. Again, 1/4 turn roll lock. What we like about this is you can go ahead and clean, let's say, an interior area that's tight to get to, because again, we have that longer neck. An engine part, it's great for motorcycles. Everything we've done today for those tight spots on a motorcycle will work great with the Nibber Polisher Kit, especially the brush when you want to get into tight areas and clean. Another one, and I'll show you, is a wheel. The brush allows you, as you can see, to get into tight areas where if you didn't have something like this, it'd be probably close to impossible to get it clean. But you can see just how easy that is. And look at it, polishes it right up. Nice.